Good morning everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'll show you a bit of comparison for the between the GoPro Hero 8 and the new GoPro Hero 9. So you can see me here. I am on the GoPro Hero 9, and here this one is GoPro Hero 8. So probably you can make out, how much of a difference it is between this GoPro Hero 8 that I'm using here and this GoPro Hero 9. Both are on the same settings, 4K 30 frames per second, and in the cinematic standard settings that I use. What I'll do also is take you out and show you how they look when they when I'm moto vlogging on them. One thing to note though is that the GoPro Hero 9 is slightly bigger in size than the GoPro Hero 8. So you cannot fit the standard media mod that you got on the GoPro Hero 8, which is this one, on the GoPro Hero 9. So you cannot use it around. So there's a new media mod that will be coming out soon, just in case any one of you is interested in moto vlogging. So you will need the new media mod to attach an external mic for any of your moto vlogging recording. One thing to note though is that GoPro has mentioned though that the battery has increased by about 30%. So the new 9 that you see here is assumed to be better than the 8 that I have here, that I purchased about a few months back. But in general, I feel if you're not looking for that 5K resolution on this GoPro Hero 9, you should be good with the 8. So it just depends on what you want. But if you're getting or starting up to buy your first GoPro, then definitely I would say go with the GoPro Hero 9. I have to say that I love the GoPro Hero 9 though. The front display definitely makes me feel that I can see myself, and for vlogging or moto vlogging, for both purposes, it's definitely a great one. So this is the GoPro Hero 9 recording now here, and I'm moto vlogging. The one that's facing front is the GoPro Hero 8. I changed the settings slightly, so it's still cinematic 4K 30 frames per second, but I just did it to super view on the GoPro Hero 9. So the view, just to give you a better idea of how the view is, and this one is recording on GoPro Hero 8. So you get a bit of difference with how the 8 is and the 9 is there. I think the 9 is a very good addition, to be very honest with you. Like I'm really enjoying it from what I'm using, especially the idea of having the front screen here. It's a very good thing to have it there, so you at least know. Previously, before recording, I had to see what's happening, but now at least I know exactly what's showing here. Right now it's showing, as you can see, it's showing my helmet and this odd camera that I have on my chest, which needs to go on my helmet soon. I tried to figure it out over the weekend, but had a bad luck with mounting it. So I need to get a few more mounts to mount it up on my GoPro. Oh, sorry, my helmet. The other good thing is there's a light up here now on the new GoPro. Previously on the 8 it's on the side, but on this one, the new GoPro Hero 9, there's a light up here which shows you that it's recording, which wasn't there before. I think what I'll do is I'll mount the GoPro Hero 9 now on my chest, to show you how it is, you know, facing the front view. All right, so this is now with the GoPro Hero 9 recording. Yeah, the views, anything that you see. The camera recording me is my GoPro Hero 8, and the one I'm recording to view the front is the GoPro Hero 9. I feel it's the screen size is slightly bigger, but I could be mistaken. I think it's just looking at it, and it's because it's a slightly bigger size, maybe that's why the screen is slightly bigger, or possibly could be the same. But at least you'll get an idea of how the GoPro looks. It's pretty windy today, so you might get to hear a lot of wind noise, and that's also because I don't have any mic attached to the GoPro Hero 9, so I don't even know how is my voice being recorded in the GoPro Hero 9. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. And thank you to all the existing subscribers. The numbers have been going up. Your support has been great. Your questions in the comments encourage me to make a new video every time I read. It gives me an idea of what to do next. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.